It's my pleasure to be here with Anoop, Research Director of AI and Future Technologies on the Technology and Society team at Google. So Anoop, I'm curious, do you have any tips? How should people get started? What are some of the gotchas they should watch out for? That sort of thing.
I think the first thing is to remember that they're not perfect, and those mistakes will show up, and sometimes they'll show up in the most subtle ways. If I asked my LLM to help me write a draft, sometimes it'll write a draft and it'll write a paragraph that it's extremely confident about. And then I just have to know, and I have to double check everything, because knowing the topic that I'm working on means I can catch it.
Right.
And make sure that I'm not taking what the large language model has suggested as ground truth, because it's not. It requires checking. It's a very iterative process, I think, as well. So whatever my first prompt might be, it's the iterations that actually extract the help that I might need or the answers to the questions that I might have. So I'll usually start with a prompt, but I'm also really quite aware that I'm going to be iterating that prompt forward until I get the thing that I actually want.
It's not one and done.
It's not one and done at all. And it's important to be a bit careful that maybe there's some factual error that's actually being shown. But then also the iteration is what can get it to be what actually solves the task that I've got.